Mumbai is expected to receive light to moderate rainfall, accompanied by gusty winds over the next 48 hours. But then, onwards rainfall activity will reduce and remain subdued till the end of August. According to the India Meteorological Department, the gusty winds that will blow over the city for the next 2 days will be due to the formation of a low pressure area over Madhya Pradesh. It will also be responsible for intermittent light to moderate rain. An IMD official said spells of rains are expected in Mumbai as well. He further added that there is no alert for heavy rainfall. The official also said that there is likely to be subdued rainfall activity in the state for all of this month. It is likely to be normal as per the monthly forecast issued by the IMD. From Friday onwards, there will be a reduction in rainfall in the rest of the state since the weather system that has formed will weaken. The low pressure area over Madhya Pradesh will move away and weaken, and the monsoon trough is likely to shift to the foothills of the Himalayas. There will be a considerable reduction in the amount of rainfall received by central Maharashtra, Marathwada, and Vidarbha. The official further pointed out that although interior Maharashtra would see a decrease in rainfall activity this month, the Konkan coast will continue to receive rainfall. Konkan is likely to receive rainfall, but it will not be excess of what it received in July. In the fourth week of August, rainfall activity is expected to increase again because it will be the revival of monsoon and the monsoon trough will shift southwards. There will be light and only a few spells of rain. This will also affect the temperature and humidity levels in the city. The temperature is likely to rise and discomfort will increase because the humidity level will not drop below 80%.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.